lovely people. Welcome back to Live.Life.Lovely. This is another nighttime chit chat. I have my nighttime robe on and I'm in my crafting space, which is really my formal living room space until my daughter goes back to school for college. And if you hear any noise, it's my 2-year-old who is always with me with every video. So I am basically cleaning these bookends that I just purchased from the thrift store for $4 from Goodwill. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to put these bookends on my craft table to organize myself a little bit. I just put all of my pens and markers for my planners in here. Table. This is an Erin Condren bag that I got from Go Wild, but in here I keep stuff I don't really use. So I'm wondering if I even need this stuff. What is this? Oh, maybe these came, I think these, I know what this is. So these are inserts that came out of my Happy Planner mini that I'm not using because, but you know what? I think I need to put some of these back in and use them because these are, I took them out of my, I don't have it down here, out of my financial journal, and thinking I wouldn't need them, but because I only had the monthly, I just write my finances on the monthly, but I'm noticing I'm going to need to write more notes, so I should keep these. And then I have a whole bunch of journals in here I don't use, and I have no idea what sizes these are. If someone can comment below as to what sizes these are, but I got these from Go Wild as well. These are all I think they're A5, but I'm not sure. Travel. I don't use this type of planner, so I've been giving these away as gifts. So in here I just keep everything that I'm not using right now. So I'm just going through and oh, this is so old and it's crumpled up. It's like a pad. Who can use a pad like this? That's what he draws. Here's some more pads. Oh, these are Christmas pads. These are cute. I'll keep those. Oh, and this is a pad to morning, day, and night. I can give that away as a gift. So I guess I'll call this the gift bag with gifts in it and take this out so I can use that. Yeah. So anywho, that's all I'm doing. Nothing very spectacular, just clearing off my space, trying to make the feng shui come back in this area, because right now it is not there, honey. Oh, I got this cute little pad. You gave me this pad at the Go Wild conference, but I love the women on the side. And I want to use these, but I don't know how to use these. So we have the tag pads. I'm afraid to look in these little pouches. I have so many of these little pouches. I need to do something because this does not work for me. It's just too many. Oh, this is my Go Wild Keep Saver from Go Wild. Oh my gosh, those are my wonderful friends and roommates that I spent time in Austin, Texas. And Austin, Texas, oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful city. It's now one of my most favorite cities, and I got autographs. I mean, oh my gosh, this is such a great way to, oh, look at my Go Wild girl. Isn't she adorable? Oh, I had such a good time. I can't wait until the next Go Wild. So shout out to my friend. So if you don't know what Go Wild is a planner conference It is not cheap, but if you know what's coming in the year, you save. And you just have a really nice time with planner friends and learning how to plan better, getting a lot of free fun stuff, and doing a lot of fun stuff with the girls. It's like the ultimate girl planner party. So the next one is going to be in Las Vegas. And they're usually in May. So check that out. Go Wild Planner Conference if you're interested. Oh, this is my dream book from Hallmark. Oh my gosh. Like, I love Hallmark. Hallmark is so awesome. It's just too darn expensive sometimes. But every year I do get at least one Hallmark ornament. And I always get it in July when they have sales. And I get my little coupon in the mail with my dream book. Shout out to Heidi Swap. Like, who has Heidi Swap's light box? I freaking love that thing. And I can't show it to you now because it is now in my kitchen with the word summertime on it on my counter because I just love this freaking box. Like, I love this box. Shout out to Heidi Swap. Those. Have I ever used this adhesive spray? Oh, I forgot I even had this adhesive spray. Where did I get this stupid thing from? Yeah, I want to use this when I plan. I need to put this somewhere to remember. So that's another thing I found out about myself is that with my organization style, it's out of sight, out of mind. So now I have bought all clear bins. I'm on a clear bin frenzy, okay? Because if I can't see it, I just won't see it. Like this. So, bet I got the adhesive to use with my plan. Alright, this is the last thing I'm going to show you guys tonight before I finish. I'm in my space, y'all, so you know I like everything that's in my space right now. So this is a sprocket. If you haven't heard of a sprocket, okay, it is the best thing since sliced bread because it is like, it's in the family of a Polaroid camera. So you take a picture, the picture comes straight out. But here is the kicker. The picture has a sticky back. So it comes out as a sticker. Oh my gosh. And then, say you didn't want to take a picture or you want to use a picture in your phone. It comes with the jack to hook your phone up to it. So you can print out any freaking picture you want. Any picture from online, from your phone. Make it a sticker. So, I freaking love this thing. I'm like purging my planner desk of junk. I still need to figure out what to do with this stuff. See how it's like hidden? I need to put it in something clear so I can see what the heck is going on my desk. But other than that, guys, that's all I have. So I always enjoy talking with you and just having more lovely people join my channel. So until our next nighttime chit chat, I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day, and remember, life is as lovely as you make it.